So 99% of 200. So remember, 100% of something is all of it. 99% isn't quite. So what you can do is use your 10 times tables here, because what's 100? Take away 99. Have a little think there. So we've got 1. So what is 10% of 200? What would that be? So when we say 10% of something, as we've mentioned before, that means divide by 10. So finding 10% of something means divide by 10. What is 200 divided by 10? And that would be, like I said before, you can, when you divide by 10, here's my place value chart. You've got your 200. When I'm divided by 10, here's my hundreds, my tens, my units. It's like being at the cinema, asked to move down 1. You've got a 2 and a 0. Each one moves down 1. And then, of course, that 0 goes on to infinity. Quick way of doing it is just knocking off our 0. So we can't do that without understanding what happens in this process. So 200 divided by 10 is 20. So that's 20%. Sorry, that's 20 is 10%. Now, if I want to find 1%, that's even 10 times less. So let me divide that by 10 again. And I'm going to get 2. So that means 1% equals 2. So remember, 100% is the full value and 99 is 1% less. Now, if 1% equals 2, that means 200 minus 2 equals 198. Now, the examiner gave a little bit of guidance here. They said if you accidentally said the answer is 198%, they will not accept it because something went wrong in that answer. We need to be as accurate as possible with finding a percentage of a real amount. So, for example, what's 99% of $200 or 200 euros or 200 pounds? That would be 198, but not the percentage. The percentage is separate to the amount.